Hey, to use Do Not Disturb mode on the Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you have to do is just to go to the settings. Then from this you will have to go into the notifications and now select the Do Not Disturb mode. We can quickly turn it on and off by tapping on the switcher, but when we do this, before we do this, we can actually set some options. So before you turn it on, you can also set for how long you want to turn it off. So you can set until you turn it off manually, or for example, for maybe 4 hours. Next, you can set the schedule. So we get actually the default schedule that you've got every day from the 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. next day. And also we can add and turn on the schedules right here. So we can here customize the schedule. Let's add this one. And as you can see, we can actually turn on and off multiple schedules for the Do Not Disturb mode. Below, we can also adjust calls, messages, app notifications, alarms, and sounds. So for example, if you don't want to receive calls and messages from the specific contact, you can actually add this contact just right here. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.